All right, well, we made it. We're here. We had an early morning this morning. I think we had a 4:45 start, something like that. We have the high performance driving experience ticket, so we are here at NCM. We are gonna, hopefully they're gonna teach us how to drive this thing a little bit and whip it around the corners. They said we could drive a Corvette too, but they said it costs more, so we'll probably just stick to the old beater here and we'll go from there. But we should have a bunch of fun, but we'll see. Good times. Here we go.
Fully in the back in this the inside room.
How was it? Good?
The suspension was not set, so we were rubbing around every corner. So, yeah, it was fun. I mean, I'm sure it was slow, but it was fun.
You guys look pretty slow compared to everybody else.
I'm sure we did. You ready? I told him to scare you. Have fun! So while we were out there, I told him to scare Carson as much as he can. Hopefully he has fun.
They'll probably make it. They'll probably
Music bed.
How was it?
That was great.
We had just a lot of fun.
You have any issues? No?
And I just noticed that one of my coilovers is the shotgun's not working.
Well, have a good time?
Yeah. I think we had a little fun.
Did he scare you?
Just a tiny bit. I'm so glad I didn't eat anything before this or anything big. I would have just.
We're driving right by. We figured to come over here to the Corvette Museum. Not a huge Corvette guy, but I guess we're here. We'll go look at some Corvettes like that. So one thing about Corvette people, and most Corvette people are listening, I'm sure that will agree with this. A Corvette guy has got to be over 60, wearing New Balances, cargo tan shorts, white socks pulled up, and then a Corvette t-shirt, and maybe a Corvette like light jacket. That's a Corvette thing. 100%. Every Corvette owner.
I think this Corvette's missing something.
What?
An old guy driving it.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know, 3 out of the 5 of them guys are wearing New Balances. They're in training.
You impressed?
So far.
What?
Not so far. We sure we're gonna go inside the museum?
That's quite the line. Oh, that's all the museum we need right there.
$25 a person.
$25 a person, really?
For $50.
Whew. They gotta get their money somewhere. Devin McCracken. Proud owner,
Oh, so they have customer card here?
I guess.
Want a Corvette shirt?
You think they're gonna be Corvette owners soon?
Yeah, oh yeah, sure. There's a guy in there, his wife said he was 50, so.
Oh
he's
yeah.
getting there.
Oh yeah.
I'm
he's
almost
close.
50.
Oh no, not that.
Get a Corvette?
It's all right. You already got your fun car.
Yeah, that's true. So we just went from the Hill Power Wheels Challenge, and we were walking by, and I noticed this Blazer right here. So this Blazer He hit me up about a year ago, and this Blazer was actually in the shop, and I did all the body work and painted this Blazer. It's just funny, we were walking along, and I look over, and there was the Blazer that I painted about a year and a half ago. It still looks awesome, straight, beautiful. Love it. He did an excellent job. He brought it to me disassembled, and then I did all the body work and sprayed it for him. And he reassembled it and put it all back together. He did gorgeous work. This LS, the swap is clean. Everything's neat. It actually is a beautiful, beautiful truck. Hey man, how you doing? I had to check it out again.
How are you?
It still looks great, man. Look at that thing right there. That's crazy. So now we know what the sound of freedom is, and the Dixie horn to finish it off was probably perfect. finished it up with the burnout contest. It was a lot to see. It was a little long if I'm being completely honest. But it was a good time. A lot of crazy builds, a lot of good people. We met some good people out on either side of us where we were parking each day. On to the next one.